Soldiers of the Order. Spies, traitors, and terrorists have taken refuge in the Takodana Castle, and members of the Resistance seek to aid their escape. But they will not escape. We will claim our rightful prisoners by taking control of this area, meter by meter, starting at the Outer Memorial. Go!
Grenade ready!
Memorial in sight. Opposition under control.
The memorial should fall shortly. Sector secure. Annihilate the resistance stragglers, then push on. We've detected resistance forces guarding turret emplacements. Set explosives and destroy those batteries. Then we cross to the castle and snatch up our prey.
Got an ally on site. Identity is classified. West turret rigged with explosives.
Can't be useful there!
Final arming sequence engaged. The west turret will be destroyed shortly.
Power this is treason!
Sector secure. Slaughter anyone in your path. We will not be delayed between here and the castle. The enemy will commit atrocities to buy time for their escape. Many of you will make sacrifices. Quickly, now, seize the castle.
Inside the castle, taking control.
One of our best operatives has landed.
The castle will soon be ours. is under our control. Begin rounding up prisoners and execute any who resist.